Good morning and happy Friday. I don't have much of a village update since my last video from yesterday, but I did accomplish a couple more things. So I thought I'd share with you what I accomplished and then what I hope to accomplish today. As far as what I accomplished yesterday, I covered the front of the board with a plastic tablecloth so you can't see underneath the board. And then the top of the board I covered with the thinner styrofoam boards. I ran out of the longer sheets, so I had to take from the hill that I was creating to go underneath the police and fire station to cover this board. So that's why it looks a little choppy. But once I get all the buildings and accessories and all that on, those seams won't be noticeable. So since I took from the hill, I had to add back to it. I also, when we were at Menards the other day, I picked up another package of the 1.5-inch thick styrofoam sheets. So I cut one sheet down and got 2 pieces out of it to add that height. So that's what I did yesterday. And what I hope to accomplish today is I see the wire to Nick's tree farm. So that has to be taken care of. And then over here, I don't like this little void area. So I want to cover that up. And my thought to cover that up is take this and this piece off and then create probably pieces that are about that high all along here, and then probably little pieces in front. So that'll cover all this up, and then start rearranging the layout again. So I'm hopeful that will give me enough room. I know it'll give me enough room to put the 2 pieces that I wanted in here. Now, what I'm hopeful for is that it'll actually look the way that I'm wanting it to look.